I just got in the biggest Tech Deck Wet Willy that Tech Deck has put out in the past 15 years. And just for a quick size comparison, here's a standard Tech Deck compared to the new Handboard that just came out. And Handboards from Tech Deck came out over 20 years ago originally, and they stopped making them about 15 years ago. And they just re-released this as well as 3 others in the set, and there are 4 total graphics available. The box has some really cool World Industries art all over it, and I'm excited to see what the other ones look like. Currently, this one was the only one available online, but I'll put some links in the video description down below if you want to check to see the availability of this one as well as the others. And right out of the box, the board looks really nice in person. The graphic looks super clean. And it also comes with a little sticker sheet with the World Industries characters. And other than that, it does not include a tool like the older handboards did. Just the box, the board, and some stickers. And the trucks that come on here are actually a Tech Deck branded truck rather than like an old skate brand like they had on the other ones that used to have independent as well as some other brand trucks. But they look to be like really nice quality and almost look like they're a little bit more beefy than the older trucks. And they also come with rubber bushings and washers. And just a quick size comparison to a Tech Deck Pro. It's about 3 times the size of a Tech Deck Pro. And the wheels have some nice World Industries graphics on the side of them. They are not bearing wheels, but they are more like metal bushings. And rolling, they're pretty smooth. And the wheels are made out of some type of rubber material. They're super grippy. Grip tape on top. Tech Deck was nice enough to remind everybody not to ride this board. It definitely will not hold up to being ridden. And a quick comparison to an older generation handboard from Tech Deck. The board itself has a lot more concave as well as higher kicks on the newer board. And you can see on this board it has some tensor trucks. Overall, the new handboards are pretty similar to the previous generations. The trucks are just a little bit more beefy and sit a little bit higher, but the wheels are a similar kind of bushing inside of a rubber wheel. And the new Tech Deck, just because of the shape of it as well as the higher kicks, sits a little bit higher. That about wraps up this quick unboxing of the new handboard from Tech Deck. If you do have any other questions or comments, let me know in the comment section down below. Make sure to check out my other Tech Deck and fingerboard videos, and if you did enjoy this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button as well as subscribe and turn on post notifications for when I post my newest videos. And until next time, peace out.